Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits related to the topics parts of speech, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, phrasal verbs, adverbs, and types of adverbs from the English grammar. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as adjectives and adverbs. Raghavati is a dash teacher. She teaches very dash. Answers good and well. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as adjectives and adverbs. PT Usha is a dash runner. She runs very dash. Answers fast and fast. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as nouns and verbs. The volleyball team of our school dash 4 matches. The fourth day dash was excellent. Answer played, play. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as nouns and verbs. Swapna is dash a lot of problems. I am sorry to see tears on her lovely dash. Answers facing and face. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as nouns and verbs. My granddaughter said, Grandpa, you look very sweet. When I see a dash on your face, on hearing this, Grandpa dash at once. Answers smile and smiled. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as nouns and verbs. Srinu dashed that he would pass the examination, but his dash disappeared when he saw the question paper. Answer hoped and hope. When I answered a question correctly, the English teacher dashed me on my back and said, Well done, smartly. Her dash made me feel very happy and proud. Answers patted, pat. My sister likes cheese. Which type of noun? Answer material noun. You have come here to be educated, said the red faced gentleman. The word red faced is called dash. Answer compound adjective. Money drives safely. Safely is a dash. Answer adjective. Common people dash the government. The answer is elect. I have a Buddha statue at home. Dash is brown in color. Answer it. I usually study in the library for an hour after class. Answer adverb. Those flowers are very beautiful. How much do they cost? Answer adjective. Please remember to finish your homework. Answer noun. She's got dash records of classical music. Answer a few records. My brother and I are hungry. Dash are thirsty too. Answer we. We called Alan. He came to dash. Answer us. Is this radio dash? Answer yours. It was a very dash journey. Answer is interesting journey. This team is bad. It plays dash. Answer badly. How dash butter do you need? Answer much. Who sings the dash in your class? Answer most happily. Sentence A. Why doesn't Pete have any teeth? Sentence B. Because he dash brushed them. Answer is never. It's very dash. It's going to rain. Answer cloudy. I think he was driving dash. Answer carelessly. I have looked for my book dash but I can't find it. Answer: everywhere. I have got very dash money. Answer: little. Only dash Simon's friends went to the match, not dash. Answer: a few of and many. I have had a full day's rest now and I feel much dash. At least dash enough to be able to get out of bed. Answers: better and well. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.